Ẹ kú ojúmọ́ ẹ̀yin ti Tẹni ọmọ ológo. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo fídíò tí Jagaban sọ bí wọ́n ní ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n ní láti empower yín sí iṣẹ́. Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ nínú àlàyé wọn bọ̀ tí tó yà mí lẹ́nu ni pé kí ló dé tí a lè jàǹfààní yẹn kó tó di pé election wọn wáyé. Kí ló dé tí youth tí wọ́n lè empower wọn sí iṣẹ́ kí wọ́n dá lè ṣẹ́ sílẹ̀ fún for the past 7 years tí wọ́n ti gbé Buhari síbẹ̀ everything worst sí ni ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní àwọn ní nǹkan fún yín tó bá wá wù yín ẹ gọra yín ẹ jẹ́ kán tó fi ẹnu dídùn sugar coated mouth kán fi balẹ̀ ayé yín jẹ́.
I could only recall they give us very good white tennis and shirts and were, out to march, celebrating independence. That's all I could recall. And after an exhausted waiting march, I went home to Itagara to eat eba and enjoy myself. I said, congratulations to Nigeria. Congratulations to our young ones who will pick up the challenge of restoration. Our own is to give hope in a promise that we will live with a united country, not as prosperous as we might want it to be, but that as a diverse nation, we will use that diversity for economic prosperity of our country. And we cannot achieve that unless we invest in our youths. Research and development, capacity to take risk, ability to not give up, to be proud Nigerians, to see our diversity as opportunity, to equally convert our population to an opportunity, and develop at a better pace in order to build a 21st century and beyond nation that is highly focused on its people. Our people are hardworking. Our youths are ready to work, they're ready to learn. The environment is what is necessary. And the focus of our leaders. And we must guard our democracy jealously, though. We are one and one Nigeria, and we should be proud of our greenback. That is the passport. In fact, if I have my way, I will bring back our old first national anthem. That describes us much, much better. I don't know why we change it. It's about service. It's about diversity. It's about commitment, the value and nation building. So that is my message to Nigeria, my message to the president, my message to everybody. Never give up on your country.
Nigeria, tí gbogbo wa ní.